Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove text fill color in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take a text with fill color and outline color. Now we want to remove this text field, select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Go to the text box menu, choose the text fill option and we can see here many options. We select the no fill, then click outside of the page. Now we can see we remove text fill color, this publisher document text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.